Gratitude, 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 peace. How's everyone feeling in the multiverse? I am your girl, Sacred Orb, and today, just wanted to share my thoughts of this new November's energy, right? And you know, Scorpio is the energy all about transformation and change. As much as we would not look at Scorpio being about change, it is, right? Simply because remember, transformations bring about changes. Some wants it, some unwants it, right? And it sits right across from the energy of change, because Taurus is, if you look at Taurus season, that's in the month of May. The number 5 is all about change, right? So it's synchronistic. However, this change is hitting different. You know, we're in a number 8 year. A number 8 year. Yeah, that's a smoothie. I just came off a fast, and Dr. Master Yaki said, when you breaking fast, okay. Yeah, I did a dry fast for one day. I tried it because I've never done it. So I wanted to give it a try, and I did, and it wasn't as bad. I only did it for one day. Yeah. But anyway, I think I got enough mess in me that held me over, right? Because, yeah, I definitely got a detox. I've been eating whatever I want, letting whatever energies come my way, and it's feel like, you need to let some of that go. So we're in a month of transformation, and, you know, I'm looking at individuals with this double 1 energy, and a lot of individuals are not able to handle this energy. We're diving deep. We are diving deep this month, and 222. We keep paying attention and being aware. We will see that, you know, individuals are being driven by this double 1 energy. My apologies. I'm kind of and it's so deep that I'm not outside. I'm usually outside making the videos, but these loud dogs, oh gosh. This lady, like, you can tell she probably, somebody just fuss, because all them dogs do is fuss. But anyway, it's just different. You know, from the first day, I've been noticing how individuals are reacting to this energy. And for me, I learned that I was a Scorpio. And I'm like, whoa, this changes things. And I'm able to withstand this energy. I'm sitting back and I'm looking, I'm like wondering, like, what is going on? However, Scorpio is not an energy that everyone can attune themselves with. And I have Jupiter sitting there. So, you know, Jupiter, I feel like it gives us that eye, or that knowledge and wisdom, rather, to be able to discern and decipher what it is, what's going on. Because remember, Sagittarius is all about, Sagittarius and Pisces. Pisces is very intuitive because it's water, right? But you get more of the psychics from Piscean energy. And if you look at it, those who are of that number 3 vibration, which are born in the 3rd month, every last one of them, I don't care if they're in religion, out of religion, spiritual, atheist, they're very in tune. Very in tune. I don't care who's born in the 3rd month. They can either see, or they just know. They know. However, Sagittarius, on the other hand, is fire, right? So this energy is more spiritual, religious, or scientific. And Jupiter represents both of these energies, right? This is what Jupiter represents. And I've always said this was my favorite planet. It's so strange how it's in my first house. I just love expansion. I love things that are unknown. So it just speaks about that whole Scorpio Jupiter aspect, whatever. Anywho, this is a number 8 year, and the number 8, Scorpio represents the 8th house, the original 8th house. So if you start at Aries is the first house, and you go around Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, the 8th house, right? So a lot of these energies are really synchronized, and it's something that's going on planetary. I don't know what it is. I haven't looked at anything. I haven't looked it up. However, it's a great month to manifest. Get all you can. Like, use your mind. Go deep. Ask your guides. Ask your inner being. Ask your higher self. Ask God. Ask the universe. Ask source energy. How do I align with these energies to 639? I once learned what the 369 meant, right? And I only remember the 3. The 3 being understanding. So how I put my spin on it was 369. Understanding love is universal. 6 love, 9 is universal. I love me. Like, I love this oneness that I am within me. This oneness within me. I am in tune with that source energy, and it's like the more and more and more I tune in and tap in and begin to tap into my inner being, the more things unlock. Rabbit holes. I like rabbit holes. Y'all. I do. I appreciate rabbit holes. But yeah, I didn't want to talk in here though. Just saying, pay attention to the energies around you, because people are going a little lulu. What's it called? The lulu. Here and there. And today is a day. This energy has been set in motion for a reason, right? Remember, we just had October 31st, and now today is whatever's going on is going on. And pay attention. Things are never done in a manner that is just out there, because you have to sit back and be able to really be aware that something is going on. We know something is going on. What? However, I do know this is a day of harvest. Remember what autumn is. Fall, the season that is. So remember, you have winter. That is where things go to die. You have spring. This is where things come alive, where newness and these type of things begin, right? Then you have summer. Summer is where things are nurtured, because it's warm. That warm, cuddly, lovey feeling. And then you have autumn. What do you think autumn is about? Harvesting. Remember, this is where you reap what you have sown in the summer. So, why is it today of all days that this energy is, they're choosing this day? And I haven't gotten to that. But remember this. They always do it in November, right? They always do it in November. Why is that? Well, right after the harvest comes the harvest. Y'all sluggish behind the candy. Y'all sluggish from celebrating. What better time? You know, where I'm from, if you eat too much, say for like Thanksgiving, they call it, after you finish eating, they call it niggitis, the itis, right? I know it's weird, whatever. However, my point is, it's in harvest. It's a harvest. It's a harvest. I don't even know what else to say. Be mindful of your energy. I do want to say that. Be mindful of your energy. You know, what we focus on grows. If we can all focus and find some balance. Because remember, I just made a video that said the universe does not vibrate to right and wrong. The frequency that it vibrates to is balance and imbalance. How can we get back into a balanced, whole space as a collective, as an individual of the collective, right? Because we all have our work to do, inner work, outer work. We didn't come here to be rocks. We have plenty of rocks. Even they have their purpose. How do you choose to show up? How do you choose to reserve your energy? How do you choose to manifest in this place and space this month? Awesome, awesome, awesome energy to manifest with. So go out there and be great. Be great. And remember, if you haven't heard it today, I love you. Don't worry about what's going on in the world. If you don't mind it, it does not matter. I love me. I love you. Peace.